We're almost there. Halfway through the repair process. And let's go ahead and shine some light on the matter. See if we can zoom in a little bit closer on this iPhone 12 Pro Max camera lens repair. Here we go, zoom back out. Slowly, slowly. Oop. Move this dust money out of here. Let's check it out, guys. Let's look at the image quality. Once we shift over to portrait mode, we can still see that little black dot right there. Do you guys see it? Yeah, right there. So the black dot will still be there. That's most likely because there's permanent damage on the camera lens already. So we have to emphasize how important it is to get your rear camera replaced and repaired as soon as possible. We don't want to wait until there's permanent damage inside your camera elements and your lens element. Otherwise, the black dots will be permanent. But the good news is that we've contained the problem and resume this repair tomorrow. Now check it out. That screen protector sure does look nice and centered on there. I don't know if you guys got a chance to see part 1, but this is part 2, where the screen protector is nice and perfect. Let's go ahead and zoom in on the quality of this screen protector. That's why we sell the screen protector for $39. Very high end. Now, of course, you'll see small imperfections like this, but they're not imperfection, it's just dust. Right there, see? And the reason why it looks like there are so many imperfections is that the magnification is so low. If you zoom in closely, you'll even see how detailed the grills are on here. This is like microscope level. Once again, thanks for joining.